Okay, hi. Today we're going to show you how the flight cover works with the ATTO scooter. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this strap, we're going to just gently put it over the seat back and slide it down until we get these two ropes that are attached on the flight cover to hook onto these two knobs. That's it right there, and this is how you go through the airport, okay? Then when you get to the gate, you let them know you're going to be gate checking this. You fold it up into the suitcase, you tell them, and it won't take any more space than, let's say, a stroller. Then you go down the runway to the door of the airplane. You remove the flight cover, like so. Then you fold the scooter. Okay, now I leave the handlebar up. I tuck these in, the handles in, so that it's easy to access. We're going to open the little buckle that the lid was attached to. Then we're going to unbuckle these two straps, okay? And we're also going to pull them out to give them a little extra space. All right, now with the lid on the back, and this being the back of the scooter, we're just going to slide the cover over the handlebar, watching the brake. It kind of sticks out a little bit, just like that. That's step one. Then we're going to reach inside, and since this is spring-loaded, we're just going to widen it so that it will cover the edges of the scooter and slide it down. We're going to slide it down almost all the way until these two ropes will hook over those same two knobs. This prevents it from going down too far, okay? Now, we're left with the two straps, okay? We're just going to slide them under the wheel, which means we're just going to tilt it slightly to be able to get that strap over the wheel and buckle it into its position, okay? Same thing on the other side. Okay, we're just going to slide it over the wheel and then buckle it in. Next, we're just going to pull down the handlebar, and then zipper the cover. And we do this first so that now we can tighten the two straps, so that makes it all very simple and easy. And this is how we check it in at the gate or at the door of the airplane.